Hi there, welcome back to Canvas Training Videos. This video is about how to make a cloud assignment. So a cloud assignment is perfect for when you have a document that you've already created using Microsoft Word and you would like to distribute it to your students to have them fill it out or make edits on it. So kind of like the worksheet concept. So in Canvas that is called a cloud assignment. So I'm going to go in, I've been doing this inside my teacher course as an example. So here we are on the assignments page. But before we get started in Canvas, you need to have the document created in Office. So it must be living inside of Office 365 and inside of your OneDrive. I actually created this one here. You can see that it is in Word Online, but in order for you to distribute anything using Canvas, it will have to be in your OneDrive. So if you create it in Office Online, that's fine. Or if you have already created it and been using it for years with photocopies, you can upload it into your Office 365 account and have it in your OneDrive. So once this is created, we'll be able to do this. I also wanted to point out, you can see I use boxes, text boxes basically, for student answers. I do this specifically because I've learned not to put lines. Lines are perfect for photocopying because students can write on them, but when they're typing it just moves the lines around and changes your formatting. Or even blank space can sometimes get a little bit weird when students start typing. So by using the text boxes, the box will expand to fit the student's text. So whether they answer you in one word or a paragraph, it doesn't alter your formatting at all. So just a thought there. But once your document is created and you're ready to create the assignment, so we're going to go in and create a new assignment. And try not to type a lot. So Cloud Assignment August 2018. Okay, I'm not going to do a description here, but you know you can. How many points, what assignment group it goes into. This is where things are important. This assignment submission type is an external tool. Okay, it is not online, it's not on paper, it is an external tool. Then you have to click Find. We will scroll down and find the Office 365 Cloud Assignment. Whoops. Okay, so as it pulls this up, it's going to connect to my OneDrive and bring up my files. So now I'm looking for Cloud Assignment. It's this one. I'm going to attach the file. So whenever it's working between Canvas and Office 365, sometimes the spinning wheel spins more than we like. That's because it has to connect to the other system, verify the account, and bring it back. So now I'm going to hit Select. Okay. Who is it assigned to? When is it due? Okay, and then we're going to come on down and hit Save and Publish. Okay, so now that I have that created, it should bring up a preview here so that you can see exactly what document that you posted. Sometimes it takes a minute. And then the next step is we're going to look at it from the student view. Okay, so here you can see this is inside of my Office 365 account. So I have a student account here logged in, and I'm going to step in here, bring in, and I'm going to update this. So now this cloud assignment shows up in their to-do list, and we're going to open it up and see what the student can see. So if the student is already logged into their Office account, it should smoothly go through and just bring it up. If they're not, it may require that they log in using their Office 365, their school account settings. So they use their username and they use their password. So here it brings them up. It shows here. We are going to stay within the Canvas document. So I'm going to hit Edit in Browser right there. Okay. And here, so I'm going to put in, just type in the answers. What are you teaching? Everything and nothing. Have you used Canvas in the past? Just a little bit. And I'm going to leave that last one blank, but this is an example for you guys to see how that all works. Okay, now you can see it's saving. And just because I'm particular, I wanted to wait until I saw it see saved. Now I'm going to click submit. So when the student hits submit, it should come up with something saying that the assignment is finished, what day and time it was submitted. Okay, so I'm going to take that student account back over there, and I am back into my own teacher account. And I'm going to go, that's not what I want, I'm going to go to my dashboard because that's going to tell me I have a new assignment to grade. Okay. So right over here, grade cloud assignment. This is the right one. Yep. And here you can see this is the student work already with their information saved in it. So some of the things that make this work the best is that when they see the assignment, they stay within the browser. They click Edit in Browser right on the Canvas screen. They fill in the answers however you want them to work on it, and then they'll hit Submit. This does save a copy of the file for them in their OneDrive, as well as submit it to you. So everybody has a copy. They can then find it later, and it will also show them when it is done. This does take a little bit of practice and getting used to, but a lot of us all have files that we've used for years and years, or maybe just a little bit, by having them photocopied. This kind of solves that problem of having worksheets that we've used and we want to continue using by being able to distribute this out to students, have students complete it, submit it, and still nobody has to print, nobody has to email, makes submission a lot easier and grading easier too. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Otherwise, have a great day.